This is SAS Viya 4 presentation, so we're going to start by clicking the Applications menu and selecting Explore and Visualize. From there, we are going to open VA1 Practice 2.1, so we are going to, once it loads, go to Courses, we would go to Courses, YVA1, Basics, Practices, and then we want to double click the VA1 Practice 2.1. So once we open it, we are going to make sure we are in editing mode. This is how you tell you're in editing mode. And then you are going to click the left pane that says Data. From here we can see how many unique values certain things have. So for a company, you can see they have 12, and for job title, you can see that they have 9. So then what type of classification is employee ID? So you can see that employee ID is under the measure classification. So now we are going to view the list that is on page 1. So what case of employee country? What is the case of employee country? You can see that this is lowercase. And then going to which employee represents sales over internet or through the catalog. See it right here, internet catalog sales. And then what data item can be used to determine whether an employee is active or retired. So you can see right here, this is a termination date. So any employee that has a date beside it was the day they were terminated, and the dots mean that they are still active within the system. So then we're going to click on page 2. We can see that department and job title are selected right here. So we can also see that stock and shipping is missing their job title. So from here, it's already made, but I can show you how it was made. We are going to click data on the left pane again, and then right here, we are going to drag company over here in the right half of the canvas and drop it, and it will create this chart. So from here, you can see that the U.S. has the largest company with 120 employees, and then the smallest one is logistics, and it has 1 employee. So then we are going to click the data pane again. It is already clicked, and we are going to click this right here. It's the data source menu, and then we're going to view measure details. So in this, you can see the minimum, maximum, average, and sum. So what is the minimum total profit generated? So we're going to scroll down to where it says total profit. The minimum is 11.1. The maximum is around 19 million, and the sum of all employees is around 70 million. So from here, we are going to close out the report. So for the second part of this presentation, we are back to the main page. Instead of clicking Explore and Visualize, we're going to click Prepare Data. So from clicking Prepare Data, we are going to open Plan, and from here we are going to open up that YVA1 again. So we're going to go to the SAS Content, Courses, YVA 185, Basics, and then Practices HR, and then we are going to click VA1 Practice 2.2, and then we are going to open that, and then we are going to select, once it opens up, we are going to select Run to execute the plan. So once the plan is done running, we are going to click on the right pane, the Properties for Results table, which is this little icon right here. And we can see how many rows that are in this, which is 647, 1 for each employee within Orienstar. So then in the right pane again, we are going to click this button. It is Plan. So we can see how many convert column actions were performed, and then on which column. So we can look right here at convert column, and we can see that one convert column action was performed within employee ID. And this is done by selecting the convert column step, and then we see that right there. So then we are looking for which column was changed to uppercase. This is found by looking at change case, and we can see that employee country was what was changed. And then what filter was applied to the table. So we are looking at step 5 in filter, and we can see that department in purchasing and sales is the answer for that. And then the last one is, what is the name of the new output table created for the plan? So we are going to click plan, and then we are going to click the 3 dots right here, and we are going to select save as. And then we can see that the new plan is employees clean right here. And then we are going to click cancel, and that is the end of this presentation.